No, yo soy de aquí, yo soy de Villa Altagracia.
This is our first day in Bate Bienvenido, and it's the first time we're delivering beds to this community. Well, it is our first day, 50 beds. Tomorrow we'll come back for another 50. For all of you who supported, I can't thank you enough. It is going to be a tremendous blessing to the families whose homes we're going into today, so thank you for that. So you could come in here and see. This is what somebody's sleeping on. This is what that huge mattress is laying on. I know why we're here. I'm excited.
Holy Father, we praise you and give you all honor. Take and seal it for thy courts of love. We ask you for your mighty hand to keep guiding us.
Este es un poquito peligroso.
I feel really thankful for all the help that Albert and Deidre Pujols have gave me.
Ay, mira aquí, mira, la cama nueva. Gracias, Señor. That's cute. Streams of mercy
never ceasing. Haciendo Albert y Deidre Pujols y la fundación para estas familias, Señor.
Teach me some melodious sonnet, sung by flaming tongues above. Praise the mount I'm fixed upon it, mount of thy unchanging love.